I'm so excited, so happy. I got the paper.
Oh,
I've been here for hours just praying and crying. It was the most fantastic
that is
day.
so beautiful. What do you want this papacy to do for the world?
I wanted to deepen the church and have more people come to the church.
Since being elected in May, young people from around the world have enthusiastically welcomed Pope Leo XIV as their new Holy Father. And to this day, his message of peace, unity, and communion with God and others continues to inspire the Church's young faithful.
I'd like to say that you are the promise of hope for so many of us. The world looks to you as you look around yourselves and says, we need you. We want you to come together to share with us in this common mission as church and in the society of announcing a message of true hope and of promoting peace, promoting harmony among all peoples.
While thousands of young Catholics continue to ponder the meaning of Pope Leo's words in their own lives, Caritas Youth have swiftly taken up his call to turn hope into action by serving the world's most vulnerable. As the Church's young humanitarians, they support thousands of communities and families in regions impacted by war, poverty, and natural disasters. In Rome for the 2025 Jubilee of Youth, Caritas workers and volunteers shared with Vaticano why they believe Pope Leo's leadership is important for the world today.
First words out, peace be with you. It was very strong and powerful to many, I think, and also personally to me as well, because I think peace is perhaps the essence of everything at this moment. There is so many protracted crises and so many countries that are facing economic failures. But if you look deep down, there is always that issue of peace within the country and also with the neighboring countries. And there is constant conflicts. And I think having peace within mind and spiritually is more important.
According to Caritas Africa youth delegate Vincent Tentani, who coordinates humanitarian, food, and nutrition projects in his region, young men and women have the capacity to take on great challenges and be agents of positive change.
It's good to work for the church as a young person because we have the energy, we have the expertise, and it's that energy that the church needs for us to reach out to the the peripheral areas in our communities, to reach out to the most marginalized people in the areas because we have that capacity to move around, to travel around than our elder parents and other people.
For Julius, a recent convert to Catholicism whose Pope hope is for Leo XIV to continue Francis's legacy of love for the poor, being young is not an obstacle to realizing the Church's mission and bringing Christ's love into your own communities.
I would say that there's always something to do. There's always help that is needed. And even though you may have difficulties in the formal organizations in your parish or diocese to get things started, there's always the possibility of just doing work and getting out there.